Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a little craft with me session. Today let's make some of these bead dangles, which will be perfect for your junk journal, or in this case for my ephemera storage book. So if you missed the Atelier Vintage subscription box unboxing, I'll link it at the end of the video. I had so much fun creating this booklet, so now I can store the new goodies that I have in here, and this is what it looks like. The twine is holding the pages, and I've reused the vellum envelopes as pockets for our ephemera. And so here we have our beads. Now this stringy look is inspired by Johanna Kloff's string beads that she usually has signature to her journals. She has beautiful journals, and they usually quickly sell out when she shows them. She is a wonderful journal maker, so I decided to try it out, never done it, and wanted to incorporate it with this ephemera booklet. So this is what it turned out. I was crafting with my friend Joanne, also known here as @Nikita2471 on YouTube, and she has wonderful hauls as well if you'd like to see it. I'll link her video right up here. Now I went with some chunky beads, some pinks and blues, all of my favorite colors, and I thought it came out really well. So it just hangs like this, and I will probably put a little book plate here just to label it saying ephemera. Now I was on a roll, decided to make another ephemera book. Let me show you what I have here. And this time to hold some of my Maggie Holmes ephemera. I had won a wonderful prize pack from Cornflower Crafts giveaway, and Corn is a talented paper crafter, so I wanted to feature a lot of the things that she had included in the giveaway in this ephemera booklet or book storage book. For example, this is the topper for one of the items that she had included. Isn't that beautiful? And she also made this beautiful envelope, had all these wonderful embellishments. I use again the Daiso handmade Japanese paper for this one. For the base, just recycled and reused cereal box. So for the twine, decided to tie it up right here a little bit higher, so that way my dangles or my charms can kind of just flow down there a little bit more freely and longer. So inside we have again these wonderful little bags that she had decorated, and I wanted to keep it and, you know, kind of just have it as something special to look at for inspiration. Here is a beautiful altered paper bag that she had made, and this one you don't want to tape it down. There is so much beautiful work on the front and the back, so I thought this format was perfect. You could see everything and admire it. This was a flip book, a little folder flip book that she had made that had all the wonderful goodies that again makes a perfect place to journal or tuck your ephemera in. And then I just used some of the other bags again that she had added, sewed in some vellum pockets here, and we'll be adding more pockets over there, more of that floral pockets with the ephemera. And here we have some clear ones. And finally at the back, here's some chipboard and beautiful topper that she has there. And then I'll be adding, so you see there's two more here that I can add to as I organize some of my stuff. So now let's get to the beading part. Super easy. I have some thinner kind of twine here. This is like this really delicate cotton one, and I figured I'd add that to the mix, so I'm just going to cut a long one for now. And what we'll do is just create 4 bead dangles here to our journal. Let me just get my scissors. So I'm gonna cut that. all you have to do is put it through here where we have that knot and then tie it. I'll just double knot that. And so I will be playing music as I make this, but how it begins is you can create a knot at the top here for your bead so it doesn't slide down, and you can decide whether you want it to be lower or higher. So I'm just going to put that, and then let's start creating. Now here are some of the beads that I've picked out, and basically they have all the beautiful blues and pink colors that I want to see, that I've seen in our ephemera and on this booklet, and also on the beautiful pieces that Corn has created here. So let's pick our first bead. I'm thinking a little bit more on the light side, so let me just get my needle. Oh, so that's the other thing. I had to use my threader because some of this needle's a little too thick for some of these beads. And so I am going to start, I think I want some pink. So let's start with a pink one here. And I'm just going to put that through. Here's the other challenge with this one. It's cotton twine and it unravels pretty quickly. So we have that. Let's put some blue. Blue in there. Have that. Let's see, I see this beautiful bird button. I might add that to the mix. I'm just going to create a little knot here just so it doesn't slide. The beads don't slide behind my button. And you can add as many beads as you would like, or as little. So this one also has a really small hole, and I don't think my needle will go through that. So I'm just going to use the threader. Oh, wrong way. So we'll go this way first. Sorry about that. And we'll go through this way. Oh my. Just pull that. Okay. So we got our first 3 beads on. So I'm going to create another knot right at the bottom of my button so that our bead is doesn't slide up behind it. So let's see, yeah, that's good. And I am going to pick the pink one. So now I'm going to go ahead and play some music. I hope you guys enjoy the process and join me make some of our bead dangles for your journals or for your ephemera. So you can see right here, see, it doesn't slide up there and it just stays and sits. So now let's add more beads. So here is a look at our completed dangle charm for our ephemera booklet. I think it turned out really nice. I love the bird button. We have our floral charm and a mix of different beads, blue, some pearls, some silver, and also some crystal looking beads there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure had fun making this, and I'm planning to make more. So join me again next time for more project share hauls, and wishing you all a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.